So, what you see in front of me is a really old phone. It's about 10 years old and it even might be older. So, I don't exactly know which company it is from or anything else. Maybe we'll find it out in a further video. So, let's get started. So, behind there was a horrible customization done by me and it has an Apple logo. So, obviously, it's not an Apple phone. We know that because we all know what all Apple phones got released in now. And we know how they look. So this is not an Apple phone. So let's just scratch the back part off. I'm going to be using a normal Swiss Army knife to do this job. Still scratching. So after scratching for about 15 minutes, the logo is really revealed. It's an Oppo phone. So now let's continue to tear down. First we got to take the back panel off. That is near the charging port, and I really got my hands messed up only because I had to unveil the real logo. So we're just going to pull it out, and looks like the original battery was actually replaced. So now we take the battery off and we get to see two paper type cables. So these are really sensitive. They can just tear like paper, so we have to be very careful. Now there are 15 screws totally out here. So after removing that, we can get to know the internal part. Now after removing all the screws, we can just take the back panel off. And we get the first look of the internals now. So after just taking one more screws out, we can take the motherboard and all the other components out. After removing that one screw, we have to take this long wire type thing out that connects both the boards together, and then we can simply lift off the whole motherboard. After lifting the motherboard slightly higher, we have quite a few connections out here that we have to remove. So that's one. Here's two. This one is of the selfie camera. And we have one more, that's the paper type connection that I showed you in the starting. That connects all the way deep in there. So after taking all the connections out, we can simply take out the selfie camera. So don't know how much megapixels or anything. Nothing is clearly written out here. And then we can simply pop out the rear camera, and even this is unknown. We don't know the amount of megapixels in this. So then we have to remove these plates to show us the processors and all the other stuff. Before doing that, we have to take the part where the charger connects to charge the phone, and we have to pop out one more connection. And here we have another connection out here from where the phone gets charged. So it uses a micro USB cable. As we can see, one wire, connection wire that's as thin as a paper, is stuck right on top of the screen. I mean, basically it's behind, but still. And all others are connected to the screen, and we have the speaker out here. So now let's take the metal plate out from the main board. So after that, we are welcomed by two so stretchy type purple rubbery stuff. I don't know what they are exactly called. And after taking that out, it's revealed that this phone uses a MediaTek processor. Okay, I'll just try to get the angle. See, so this phone uses a MediaTek processor, and that's all. So thank you all so much for all watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.